Today we're making cinnamon powder. Let's get our cinnamon sticks. We're going to need a bottle to keep the cinnamon powder after we're done processing it. Let's do it. We'll need a mixing bowl, a sieve, as well as a coffee grinder, which you use to grind your coffee or blend some herbs, but we'll be using it today to make our cinnamon powder. But hey, let's figure out what cinnamon stick we're using to make our cinnamon powder today. I'm quite familiar with two different kinds, so let me show you which ones I like to use. First, we have cassia, which is thinner, it's harder, it has spicier notes, and it's reddish brown in color. You're probably most familiar with this one in the stores, and it's really great for baking goods. Love it. Now we have Ceylon. Ceylon comes in thicker sheets, it's softer and crumblier. I'd say it has sweeter notes, which is why I like to use it in my hot chocolate or cider. Also, it's tan brown, and the colors are slightly different, but whichever cinnamon you choose to get, be sure to aim for whole cinnamon sticks so you have control over how you use them in your recipes. Now, we don't have any specific measurements on how much cinnamon sticks we need to blend up. Let's just make sure we break them into smaller bits so it's easier for our grinder to process them. After grinding them for about 30 seconds or so, let's sieve it out so we can retain finer grounds to prevent any choking hazard, as this product is sourced from cinnamon tree barks. Hey, while we're storing this, did you know that I have a cookbook? Hey, if you do not know, it's called Eat Joyfully, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Be sure to check the link below so you can cook something delicious from it this weekend. And while you're at it, be sure to check out the description for the list of tools I used today, as well as my everyday kitchen essentials, some of which you would fancy to add to your Christmas wish list. So hey, you're welcome. Alright? Also, let me know in the comments below, what cinnamon do you tend to gravitate towards when you're at the grocery store? I would love to know, because you know, I'm more for Ceylon, but I also love my cassia, you know? Now that we are all done making our cinnamon powder after processing it and sieving it, let's stir it. If you need any guidance on choosing the best cinnamon sticks to make your cinnamon powder, please check the links below so you can make yours and come with it next week so we can make these tasty roasted sweet potatoes for all you sweet potato lovers out there. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications so you do not miss any of it. If you do not want to make your own cinnamon powder, I also got you covered. Check the links below and bring yours along so we can all make some roasted sweet potatoes. Put a label on your container so you know when you made it. And with that said, see you next week.